Hi. Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn to create mobile application for your calculators. If you are new and watching this video first time, please watch previous video by clicking the link shown above. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. Open Play Store. Search and install Sketchware app. I already installed this app. Close Play Store. Open Sketchware app. Click Create a new project button. Type FM Calculator for application name. Click Done. Click Create app. On left side, find Web View. Drag Web View on mobile screen. Click Event, click on Create. Click on blue button. Find Web View Load URL. Drag it on screen. Click white box. Type web address of calculator menu page. Click Done. Click Save. Click Back. Click red plus button. Click on Back pressed. Click Add. Click on Back pressed. Click blue button. Add variable. Click number, type back as variable name. Click Done. Click Add. Follow these steps as shown here. After completing program for back button, click Back. Click on Create, and follow these steps. Click Back. Click Save button. Saved successfully. Click Run button. Wait few minutes. FM Calculator app is being compiled. FM Calculator app compiled successfully. Click Install button to install FM Calculator app on your mobile. FM Calculator app installed successfully. Click Open to run FM Calculator app. Double-click on Back to close app. Open FM Calculator app by searching name. FM Calculator app opened. Now checking, the calculators are working fine or not. Congratulations! FM Calculator app is working successfully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Fayaz, Memon, for more videos and tutorials.